Hi everyone! Today, we're going to take a closer look at how to edit your original video using transcripts inside Vizard's editor. Let's take this video as an example. Once you enter the editor, you'll see the full transcript of your video on screen. This is the original footage. If you want to erase a sentence that doesn't add much value, select the segment and simply click Delete. The corresponding part of the video will be removed instantly. And if you want it back, just select the same text again and hit Revert. Now, if you select a paragraph and click Create Clip, you can instantly turn that section into a new clip. You can also choose the aspect ratio and decide whether to enable auto reframe. Moreover, you can even edit at the word level. Select a word and click to make a correction, or simply double-click it to edit directly. On top of that, you can highlight sentences to mark important moments. Using the filter tool, you can quickly view all highlighted sentences or sort them by color. For example, select yellow highlights. Then use the checkboxes next to each sentence to quickly remove highlights or generate new clips. Finally, there's the keyword search feature. Let's say you type YouTube. Vizard will instantly show you all sentences containing that keyword, making it easy to find and edit specific parts of your video. And that's the basic skills of editing video by transcript in Vizard. Give it a try and see how much faster your editing can be.